Right, today we're gonna bring an elegant, beautiful glass fixture, a light fixture, if you guys can see. And this requires two lights, two light bulbs, all right? And it comes with hot, neutral, and ground. We're gonna set it up today and see how it looks. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna replace this one. It's a little old right now, so let's go ahead and do that. We set them up in here. Very beautiful. I like the actual glass. It has bubbles. And when you turn it off, you can't see it. It's pretty clear. So I'm going to turn it off. And just to let you guys know, I put a 60 watts lights in here. And this is going to be for my bathroom. So it's very outstanding. You guys can see. It'll be for my bathroom / washroom.